Welcome to the Howmuch POS dashboard, your central hub for streamlined business operations. Effortlessly navigate through sales, expenses, and product management. Let's explore how easily you can add new products to your inventory. With Howmuch POS, adding a new product is quick and intuitive. Simply input the product name, like milk, and then define its selling price. This efficient process ensures your product catalog is always accurate, preventing pricing errors and saving you valuable time. Next, effortlessly manage inventory by specifying stock quantity and assigning a clear stock location. This helps maintain precise counts and optimizes product placement, so you always know what's available. Dive deeper into product details by revealing additional options, such as inputting the cost price for comprehensive financial tracking. By enabling Track Inventory, you gain automatic stock updates, eliminating manual checks and empowering you to make smart purchasing and pricing decisions effortlessly. Instantly see your product added. The dashboard automatically updates, giving you real-time insights into your expanded product catalog. Now, let's seamlessly transition to processing a sale. Clicking New Order brings up your intuitive point-of-sale interface. Effortlessly add products to the cart with a click and adjust quantities, instantly updating the total. This streamlined process ensures fast and accurate order entry. Processing payments is quick and straightforward. Input the cash received, then finalize the transaction with a click. Your cart automatically clears, ready for your next customer. Complete your order efficiently by selecting the Deliver and Print option. This ensures your customers receive prompt service and a professional receipt, finalizing the sale seamlessly and keeping operations running smoothly.